Island Prepper here. Just wanted to give you some updates on some changes I made. I don't know if you remember, but this is where I had put my solar panels the last time. But I made a few upgrades to the property as well as to the house, and I added this area to the side of my yard. As you can see, I covered it up. I also threw concrete down there about 40 feet and changed the solar panels. Now, I just attached these today, and I have 6 panels, 370 watts, fairly new. I put them all in so as I could basically connect them in series. But did try to do a connection on my old inverter that I have, my grid tie inverter, and boy, that thing started smoking right away. I put 3 panels in series. It didn't like it. So anyway, just wanted to do an update. You know, I got a lot of videos that I've been putting up on the firearms and the Canucks that I have, and but figure I'm going to go back to just doing some good upgrades here on my property. So as you can see here, back there is all the farm. Now these trees, these are mangoes over here, papaya right there. We have bananas or plantain there. We have guava and passion fruit. So all these fruits are right there, right next to my house, and they're growing in the wild. Also, every once in a while, the pigs escape. And I'll just show you the front of my property here. And right there where that truck is, I've had pigs there. I've had horses there. And even one day we had about 6 or 7 cows just hanging out here on the side, right in front of my house. That's the front right here. And yep, got all kinds of livestock. So this is a farm right there. Behind those bushes, it's a big giant farm. All kind of wild animals there, horses, everything. So, but anyway, put my AC units on stilts here. Put them up. They weren't straight on the ground. I got to tie them down just in case we get a hurricane. But anyway, just wanted to show you the update, and I have them nicely at an angle. I don't think any hurricane is going to take this down. And I did copy it from my neighbor who spent $20,000 on his solar panels. They're all facing in the same direction as mine. So I figured I'd do the same, all facing in the exact same direction. And I didn't spend $20,000. I spent about $1,200 on this. Anyway, Island Prepper from the island of Puerto Rico. Over and out.